potassium, the last electron is entered in 4s subshell instead of 3d subshell. What is the reason? According to screening effect or shielding effect in this one. Suppose I am taking one more electronic configuration of 19 potassium. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. After that, the differentiating electron is entered in 3d subshell. Actually, in potassium, last electron, 19th electron is entered in 4s subshell. Therefore, electronic configuration is 4s1. Why the differentiating electron is entered in 4s subshell instead of 3d subshell? What is the reason? According to screening effect or shielding effect, we have to discuss in this one. Suppose the last electron is entered in 4s subshell. What is screening constant? What is the effective nuclear charge in this case? Therefore, screening constant sigma is equal to, we know that 4s electron is the test electron. 4s electron is test electron. 4s subshell is the nth subshell. Next, third is n minus 1 subshell. Next, 1s2, 2s2, 2p all are n minus 2. In this case, fourth orbit is nth orbit, third orbit is n minus 1, remaining are n minus 2 electrons I am taking. I already explained clearly in the last class. Each electron present in n minus 1 subshell contribute 0.85 to the screening constant. Each electron present in n minus 2 subshell and all other inner electrons contribute the value 1 to the screening constant or shielding constant. In this case, I want to find the screening constant and effective nuclear charge for 4s electron. Therefore, number of n minus 1 orbit electrons are 8 into each electron contribute 0.85 to the screening constant or shielding constant. Next, number of all other inner electrons are 10. Each electron contribute the value 1. So, sigma is equal to 8 into 0.85, that is 6.8 plus 10, it is 16.8. So, effective nuclear charge is equal to Z minus sigma. Z is an atomic number. Potassium atomic number is 19. Minus sigma is 16.8. So it is 2.2. Effective nuclear charge for 4s electron when the differentiating electron is entered in 4s subshell is 2.2. In case the differentiating electron is entered in 3d subshell, not in 4s subshell, suppose, what is screening constant? What is the effective nuclear charge in this case? So, for this, it is for 4s electron. Next one, 3d electron, sigma value. Sigma is equal to what? So, 3d subshell I am taking. 3d subshell. In the yesterday class, last class, I already explained that one. Each electron coming left to the nd subshell contribute the value 1 to the screening constant or shielding constant. This 3d subshell is taken as nd subshell. Nd subshell, it is nothing but, because according to this configuration, third orbit is ultimate orbit, nth orbit. Second orbit is penultimate, n minus 1. First orbit is n minus 2, anti-penultimate in this case. I already explained, this 3d subshell electron is the test electron. It is treated as nd subshell. Each electron coming left to the nd subshell contribute the value 1 to the screening constant or shielding constant. So, for 3d electron, How many total electrons are present at left side? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 2, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 into each electron contribute the value 1. Therefore, screening constant is 18. In this case, what is the effective nuclear charge? Effective nuclear charge is equal to Z minus sigma. Z is atomic number of potassium. 19 minus 18, it is 1. For 4s electron, effective nuclear charge is 2.2. For 3d electron, effective nuclear charge is 1. Because of effective nuclear charge is more for 4s electron. 4s electron is strongly attracted by the nucleus. Hence, in potassium, the differentiating electron, next to coming electron, new electron is entered in 4s subshell, not in 3d subshell. Because for 3d subshell, effective nuclear charge is 1. It is less than for 4s electron. Comparatively 4s electron, the value is less. Hence, that 3d electron is less tightly held by the nucleus. This is the condition why the differentiating electron in potassium is entered in 4s subshell than in 3d subshell. Just 1 minute, 1 second, listen. In potassium, last 19th electron is entered in 4s subshell, not in 3d subshell. The reason behind this is, when the electron is suppose entered in 4s subshell, its effective nuclear charge is 2.2. Suppose when the electron is entered in 3d subshell, its effective nuclear charge is 1. Comparatively 3d subshell, 4s subshell effective nuclear charge is more. Because of that, nucleus strongly held the 4s electron. Electron is under the control of the nucleus. Hence, the 19th electron is preferred to enter in 4s subshell, not in 3d subshell. We know that according to the here Aufbau principle in this case, for 4s electron n plus L value, for 3d electron n plus L value, we know that one. For 4s electron n plus L value is 4. For 3d electron n plus L value is 5. For 4s electron n plus L value is less. 3d electron n plus L value is more. N plus L value is less, hence the differentiating electron is entered in 4s subshell according to Aufbau principle. But according to shielding effect or screening effect, it is the reason in this one.